Get it though. Come out. Bitch. Hey guys, it's Jamie P. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Also, go follow me on all my social media at JIMIP_. We are lit on Instagram and Twitter, so make sure y'all go follow me on there. Okay? So yeah, so today I'm bringing y'all like a styling of Amazon's Donmily hair. I'm so excited. This is the hair right here. If y'all watched the review, or if you haven't watched the review, go watch it right now. But if you have watched it, the hair was like a dark brown, almost blackish color, and I got it to be this color right here. This was definitely not the color I was going for. I was going for a blonde, but your girl don't know what she's doing. So in this video, I just want to make it known your girl don't know what she's doing. Like, I'm literally just going with it. It's cute though, right? If y'all like it, comment down below, let me know if y'all like it. If you follow me on Instagram, you already see my hair, the sledge, because I put it on Instagram. And if y'all not following me on Instagram at this point, like, what's up? Also, don't forget to go check out Amazon's Donmily hair. I love this hair so much. It's really soft and it's really thick. I didn't even use all of the bundles, as you can see in the video. I didn't use all the bundles. But yeah, I like the hair, whatever. I think it definitely does take bleach. Like, it definitely does hold the color and everything. I just don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, I can't even blame them for that. And the hair is still giving me life, even after being bleached twice. Like, if y'all want to figure out how not to go wrong when you're bleaching your hair, then make sure you keep on watching. Oh my god. Okay.
Hey guys, okay, so I'm showing you guys all the products that I use in this video. They will all also be listed down in the description box. I think I did forget a couple products, so I'll leave that down below. And I'm just gonna start by putting a few scoops of the bleach in a bowl and then pouring the developer in there. Do it to your own, you know, sizing, I guess, or measurements. Yeah, that stinks. Like, it's really strong, by the way. But yeah, do it to your own measurements just to see how much you need. I have 3 bundles of enclosure, so I know I needed a lot, so I just poured a whole lot. I laid out the first bundle. I combed it through just so that it can be evenly spread out, and then I start applying the bleach. Just make sure you mix the bleach really well. That is like a thick kind of paste, not clumpy, not too drippy, but like thick enough, if that makes sense. All right, and I'm using a comb every time I apply like a top layer, and I'm just combing through it just to get the bleach, the mixture, bleach, whatever, to go through the hair, and then I go back in with another layer and apply that as well. All right, so I took the hair, and my hair is like really long, the wefts or whatever, the wefts. So it just took me a little longer just to do all of it. Y'all don't have to do it this way. I literally made it way harder on myself. So just do it the best way you feel like you want to do it. Lay it all out. I think that's the best way to get the most like bleach on like every strand of hair. If you lay it out single strands by single strand, I doubled up and I shouldn't have did that. So I don't recommend you doubling up. I think you should do it one by one. It may take longer, but you'll have better results. And again, going through, combing through, this is like literally the same process over and over again. This crap is really not easy. Like, this is my first time like really ever bleaching my own hair. It is so hard, and like just it's really hard only because the combing process, and then like it's a lot. Okay, all right, so my aluminum foil. So as you know, when you're bleaching hair, you use the aluminum foil to trap the heat inside so that it can, like, you know, help the process of bleaching. So that's what I did. I put the hair in the aluminum foil, and I heard that if you leave the ends open so air can travel through, it helps the hair from not over processing or something like that. So I left the ends open. Now I'm just going in with the second bundle of hair, flipping it over, combing through it, and then applying the bleach. And I'm literally just going to do this to every single bundle that I have. Now I want mine to go all the way to the top. I want it to be blonde all the way to the top. So I even started to dye the actual wefts themselves, just so that like the roots will look like, you know, it's blonde and not like black and blonde. So I took mine all the way to the top, but again, this is to your own desire. Also, if you get it on your skin, I do advise you to wipe it off because it does start to itch and like slightly burn a lot. So wipe it off as soon as you can, and don't forget to wear your gloves as well because this crap really itches and it really burns too. Alright y'all, so this is the other one. It's way lighter than this one, because I left this one in longer and this one didn't. So now I know, because this one was in there for a good 50 minutes. I should have took it out a little bit because this hair is still soft. This one feels a little bit more dry, but still I'm getting to the color that I want. So now I know. And then we got this bundle right here cooking. This one can stay in there a little bit longer too, because that only been there for like 30 minutes, so that's gonna keep cooking. Alright y'all, so this is it blow dried. It's way lighter once it's blow dried. So I definitely think one more bleach and then toning it is definitely gonna take me to like where I wanna be at as far as the blonde goes. So yeah, because remember it was dark. It's actually way lighter when you blow dry, like when it's dry. But like y'all see like some of the like lighter parts in there. That's what I want. Like I'm like, it's a bunch of dark pieces in here too. So like this whole section, just that. Like why is that so dark? Like how did I miss that? But it's getting there. Okay, so now. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm eating. Now you're gonna go in, and I'm doing another layer of bleach. So this hair had already been bleached once. I had I think I bleached once. I rinsed it out with the Shimmer Light shampoo. I blow dried it, and now I'm going in with the second layer of bleach. And I'm just gonna do that same process over again. What I didn't show, after I washed it out with the Shimmer Light shampoo, I also went in with before the conditioner, I went in with the toner. Oh my god, yeah, the toner. So the toner helped a lot. It made a lot of the yellows turn like I don't even know what color to describe it as, like platinum kinda. Yeah, so like this, like kind of more platinum. So I definitely recommend a toner. Definitely recommend at least 3 bottles of toner. And you also have to get a 10 or 20 volume developer to mix the toner with in order for it to work. And I also recommend, if you have 3 bundles in the closure, I recommend 2 buckets, 2 of the big buckets that I have, 2 of those, and just 1 big size 40 developer. Alright, so now I'm going in with my conditioner. This is after I toned the hair and everything, and I'm going to deep condition my hair. So I just put it in there, and I'm going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Alright, so now we're going into the sewing process. I have bleached the hair, I have washed it, I have with the Shimmer Light shampoo, I have toned it, I have deep conditioned it in the microwave for 1 minute, and I blow dried it, and now we're gonna go ahead and sew it in. Literally my sewing process is like the same as everybody else's. I tack down one side just to know where my start and my stop is, and then I get to sewing. And in the beginning of the sew, I start through the weft and through the stocking cap, and then after that I just go under the weft and through the stocking cap. It just makes it a lot more easier and faster and secure. I don't cut my hair at all. I always just overlap it because it helps with shedding. So if you have an issue with your hair always shedding, I definitely recommend overlapping your wefts instead of cutting them to start a new line. So that's what I just did here when you see me flip the hair. It's the same way. You just gotta make sure at the ends that you sew that down really good so it can lay flat. And yeah, I think that's all for the sewing part. This is like self-explanatory, so y'all enjoy the rest of this video. Alright, so I forgot to tell you guys, now I'm going in with the frontal. People like to do the frontal first just because it maps out everything else for the rest of the hair and like how far you got to go up and all of that good stuff. So I definitely recommend doing the frontal first, putting that on first, securing that down, and then going in with the rest of the bundles. Also, what I did not do but I ended up fixing, you want to connect the actual bundles to the closure so that when you do cut the stocking cap underneath of the closure, it will still hold together, because mine actually did fall apart because I'm stupid. But all you have to do is connect it to the actual bundles and it'll stay together once you cut away the closure. I'm not the closure, I'm sorry, the stocking cap. Once you get to the top, stop double layering, because I double layer my hair just to get as much hair as possible on the head. Once you get to the top, stop double layering it because you don't want it to be bulky at the top. You want it to lay really flat. So do one layer of hair once you get to the top of the head. And now we have the finished product. I did go ahead and cut the lace off the front of the mannequin, and I also plucked the closure as well just to give it a better look, like, you know, look a little bit more natural. And my camera did die, so I couldn't record it, but I also straightened it and everything. I sprayed it with some sheen just to give it a nice little glow. The hair still holds up really nice. It's really nice. The ends I'm probably gonna have to cut. They did have a little damage because of the bleach, but I still love it. And yeah, that is the end of this video, and thanks y'all so much for watching, and I can't wait to see y'all in my next video. Mwah.